Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the fascinating math behind athletic performance. Let's go.
Raw athletic talent isn't everything. At the highest levels, sports actually reward unyielding consistency.
But how do we actually measure that? Well, we got to move past the eye test and use math.
Math is literally everywhere in sports, from simple strike rates to tracking a player's improvement over time.
Let's start with the average. You just take the total score and divide it by the number of matches. But here's the catch. Relying purely on that average can completely hide a player's true consistency.
True consistency looks at the spread of scores. A rock-solid player keeps those numbers close, match after match. Okay, check out this classic example. We're comparing two totally different athletes with the exact same average. See here? Both player A and player B scored a total of 50 points over 5 matches. So despite totally different playstyles, the math says they share the exact same average of 10. But look at the difference. Player A reliably hits 10, while player B flatlines before a massive spike. This proves player A is genuinely consistent, whereas player B is, well, totally unreliable.
Now, this same math scales to entire teams. Let's see how win percentage builds on these numbers. Imagine a team plays 20 matches in a season and wins 12. What's their actual win rate?
We just divide those 12 wins by the 20 total matches, which gives us 0.6. Multiply that by 100 and boom, you've got a very solid 60% win rate. All right, now it's your turn. Let's build your own real data thinking with a quick mini activity. First, pick a sport you love. Then, track one specific player's score across 5 consecutive matches. Next, crunch the numbers. Calculate their total, average, best, and worst scores, and their overall improvement. So if you ignore the flashy highlights and run the math, is your favorite athlete actually consistent?